In this video, I'm going to show you how to print an Agoda booking. To begin, open the Agoda website on your computer. Once you are on the home page, click on the profile icon located at the upper right-hand side of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Profile. After this, look to the left-hand side menu and click on the option called My Trips. Here you can switch between upcoming, completed, or cancelled bookings depending on which reservation you want to view. Once you locate the specific booking you need, simply click on it. At this stage, many people might think about pressing Ctrl and P together to print the page, but that would only print the booking details screen, not the official receipt. What you actually need to do is scroll down on the booking details page and find the option that says Send e-receipt by email. Click on this option, and if prompted, enter your email address. Agoda will then send the receipt to your inbox. As receipts are not issued for cancelled bookings, so in my case, I can't receive it. If your booking is valid, open your Gmail account inbox and check for the receipt from Agoda. Once you find it, open the email and you will see a small print icon usually located on the right-hand side. Click on it once and it will generate a print preview of your receipt. From here, choose your printer, adjust any print settings as necessary, and then click on Print. Your receipt will then be printed and ready to use. You can show it to the hotel staff upon check-in, keep it for your personal records, or use it as needed. And this is how to print an Agoda booking.